Hello everyone, I'm Noelle, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Uraraka's hero boots, and how you can make one too. Before anything, we must analyze our references. Here we have 3 variants of Uraraka, one from the anime, stage play, and a cosplay made by NG Knight on X. Overall, Uraraka's boots contain a white base with baby pink accents, a hot pink band around the toe, and a dark gray heel. The boot is very rounded around the ankle and reaches up to her knee. To make this, we're going to be needing shoes with a thick heel, plastic wrap, duct tape, spray foam, hot glue, batting, UHU glue, white stretchy fabric, dark pink paint, gray or black and white paint, pink makeup or chalk pastels, and a clear sealant spray. Start by taking some plastic wrap and wrap your ankle to your knee. Then take some duct tape and cover the plastic wrap. Cut off the cast down the back. Then tape the back together. I would recommend labeling your pieces left and right so you don't get confused later. Put your new legs onto the shoe and tape down. To create the puffy shape, take some spray foam and apply to the shoe. I wouldn't recommend the one I'm using in this clip since it's really dense and hard to cut through. Something like this will work better. I ended up using 7 cans in total, which is way too much as my shoes ended up too big, and I had to cut away a good portion of it. You can probably achieve the same results with around 5 to 6 cans. Using a kitchen knife, cut the foam into shape. It should look something like this when done. To hollow it out, cut 2 lines down the back, saving the outer section for later. Loosen the area around the duct tape shoe and remove it. Then remove all the duct tape. To make sliding the shoe on easier, cut it into this shape. To give yourself enough leg room, hollow out the rest of the shoe. It should look something like this when done. To reattach the shoe, apply hot glue around the outside and press it into place. Then seal the sides with more glue until it's secure. Taking the back piece from before, glue it into place. To fill any gaps, take some leftover foam and glue it in place. To give it a smooth texture, cut some batting to cover the whole shoe. Make sure to cut 2 of these as we apply 2 layers. Apply some UHU glue to the front section of the shoe and attach the batting. Pull the batting against the foam to remove any wrinkles, then repeat for the rest of the sides. For the back, cut both sides of the batting so they meet in the middle nicely, then glue down. To close the seam, pinch the edges so the batting pulls apart a little. Apply glue, then overlap each side's seams with each other. For the top, apply glue to the rim. Pinch the batting's edges to fade out and fold over the edge. Apply another layer of glue to keep it in place. For the bottom of the shoe, cut off any extra fabric, leaving just enough to cover over the foam. Repeat the same steps as before. Apply glue, pinch the edges down, then apply another layer of glue on top. Then add your second layer of batting. It should look something like this when done. To give it a clean finish, cut some white fabric and apply over the shoe just like you did with the batting. To give it a pink color, take some pink makeup or chalk pastels. Apply to your hand to dilute the pigment, then to the rims of the shoe. Apply just enough to give it a soft, toasted marshmallow look. Then taking some dark pink paint, apply to the bottom edge of the shoe like so. To give the heel a dark gray color, take some gray or black and white paint and apply to the shoe. To seal it in place, spray with some clear sealant spray. Out of everything I made so far, this is definitely my favorite. Let me know how you think I did in the comments and if you tried it for yourself. If you would like to see more cosplay DIYs from me, make sure you like and subscribe.